this is you, the artist, and this is your potential customer who will buy your art. So this is how you trade. They give you cash, and in exchange you will give them something of value in return, and in this case art related. So it could be a painting, could be a sculpture, some print, t-shirt, whatever the case may be. Now here is where the problem resides. Most artists are struggling to figure out what art package, what product they will be able to offer in exchange for cash. Also, they can't figure out how to put this thing together and present it in such a way that this product or this service becomes something irresistible to the client in a manner that will attract potential buyers. So it will involve finding who your best buyer would be, who is most likely to be interested in your product. Now here's a quick question for you. If you are struggling right now, just answer this question as honestly and sincerely as you can. What irresistible offer of a product or service do you have right now? And what have you presented to potential clients? What product or service that you render, that you can offer to a client, is irresistible? So in other words, it's so important that your client will prioritize buying it from you.